Alright, so this is a functionality test of this product, the 862D solder station. Turn it on. The issue at hand is that this heat gun here does not actually function. It doesn't produce any heat. So I'll turn both of those on just to see what temperatures. Start off low, see if it could even produce 100. The soldering iron here still works fine. So let's turn the heat on. The thing is that the fan still works. So you lift it up, it's going to be a fan, but it does not gain any heat whatsoever. You know, it's nothing. I can turn up the air and it does actually produce more air, so the fan still seems to be functional. It's just the heating element of that. And just a bit of evidence for this soldering iron here. Let's just get some solder. Sorry to do one-handed. Probably should have planned for this better. So, the soldering iron here, still functions completely fine. Produces the heat that it needs to melt stuff. So yeah, the heating element of the heat gun is not functional. Turn that off again. No, it's reading as if it's going to be shooting that much, but absolutely nothing. No heat. Then, maybe cranking it higher, all the way. Still nothing. Doesn't climb. Does not do anything. The fan still works fine, but the temperature gauge and the rest do not work. Might as well try it manual. Maybe that's the issue. Set manual, still does no climb, high or low. Just does not raise the temperature in any way. So yeah, that is the issue with this device. So let's set it back to auto and turn all of this off. Yeah, I honestly, if I could just get a working heat gun, that would be fantastic, because the soldering iron still works fine. I'm a fan, I like it. I like the soldering iron part, but this heat gun just is not doing any trick for me. Yeah.